Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, we'll discuss about what is self. Okay, because in object-oriented programming, you have to must know that why use self keyword. Okay, if you see this everywhere, you'll use self. When you create attribute, that time you also use self. When you create any method inside a class, that time you use self. So why use self and why it's important to know? Okay, if you have to master object oriented programming self, you have to understand the self behavior. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss why use self and what problem self solve to use self inside your class. Okay, so first let me tell you that when you call like here the class I written, if I call this thing like create object, not call person Rohan, and I give the age 25, and if I run this code and also run this code, and if I when you call this, you will see this, we can access this method. Okay, also attribute or method we can access. So could you tell me that inside a class which have the priority to access this attribute inside a class? Okay, because we will see this in after creating object, the object has the power to access the all the methods and attribute inside what you created inside the your class. But could you tell me, like if you print like this, if I call like this, it will work? Is underscore adult ad adult, it is work? Can I call like this way? If you know, please write in the comment section it yes possible or not, then I will give the answer. Okay, it's not possible to access one method or any attribute inside the other by the other methods. Okay, it's not possible. Only have the access object of that particular class. Object of the particular class can access all the attribute or methods what you created inside your class. Otherwise, no one can access. Okay, so this self is like self. The self is the object of the particular class itself. Okay, when you create p, the same. Okay, let me tell you one thing that I print id self. Okay, I run this code, run. You will see the id of the self keyword. Okay, and when you print this, not print this id of this object p, when you print this, the id is same. Okay, because this object is the self. Okay, self is nothing but a object of that particular class. Okay, this is the object I created, the object is the self. Okay, we use inside the class because objects has the power priority or access any kind of attribute or method uh, inside the class. That's why we pass the self is nothing but a objects of that particular class. You can write any word, not fix that you have to write self. You can use anything. Self means itself, by means object itself can access the all the methods of the particular class. That's why I use self. You can write any word, nothing have any problem. Okay, that so that's why I will create like if you when you I will see this when you um, use when you don't pass the self keyword, what you are getting, like I didn't pass and run this, run run, and when you um, pin dot grid, when you do this, you'll get error that person grid takes 0 position argument but 1 was given. Okay, means when you pass this object, this is a attribute. Okay, or parameters, this is as work as a parameter, you pass this with the method, with this method, but you don't access it from this because you cannot use self over here. Okay, because self means objects of the particular class. So when you pass the object but you didn't receive here, that's why you use self every method, uh, every method as a default argument. Okay, that's why you use self, otherwise it will give error. Now pin this, you show the output. And also if you call this function like this way, here is adult, you'll see I will get error. I will get error. Is adult not, is not defined. Okay, so you have to use self also over here. If you do this, you will not getting any error. You see true. Okay, output getting true. These are we self. Self is nothing but a objects of this particular class. We have to use inside the class because we have to access all the methods or attribute inside our class. Because when you like this, you have to use this isAdult method inside the get method. Okay, so that's why you have to pass the object with the methods, otherwise you cannot get the access. You will see this, I will do this, I will get in the error. Okay, that's why you will use self. Self is nothing but an object of the object of that particular class. So if you like this particular video and if you have any query, please write in the comment section. I'll try to answer your query. Okay, thank you guys.